So, it's been a while since I posted a long form video, like 3 weeks I think, and that's mainly due to the fact that I've been busy, very, very busy. But I'm back. Don't worry, I've heard your cries and complaints. Your one and only is back, I know. Now, to make up for disappearing a few weeks thingy, I am changing my upload schedule. Shorts are still gonna be daily because focusing on shorts has actually been working pretty well. But I've noticed something, my engagement started dropping a lot. So, me noticing this, I've decided to show you how not to be a VTuber. These are all things I did and things that almost killed my career, so make sure you stay around till the end for a secret tip. Rule 1. Never plan your content. First of all, if you're as determined as me to clearly fail as a VTuber, never plan your content. Planning is for the weak. Just wake up, stare at your computer for like 30 minutes and question yourself, what am I going to post today? And if you can't think of anything, that's perfect, trust me. Post nothing, then come back 3 weeks later and wonder why your channel isn't growing. Rule 2. Make yourself impossible to find. Next, make sure you don't have your socials at all. TikTok, nope. Instagram, nope. And Twitter, why would you? Why would you want people to find you? We want to make discovering you as hard as physically possible. Rule 3. Stream everything. Now, this is the important one. Don't just choose a niche. You stream art? Nope, not anymore. You stream gaming? Nope. You stream everything from now on. Anything, literally. Your audience does not care, neither do you, so don't plan your streams. Rule 4. Never ask your community anything. And whatever you do, don't ask your viewers what they want. Don't read your comments. Don't look at what videos they enjoy. And definitely don't ask them what they want to see next. Why would you do that? You already know everything, so just do what you feel. Now for the secret tip. This will completely destroy your channel. Compare yourself to every other VTuber. Look at their views, their followers, their model, their streams, and convince yourself they are your enemies, they are your competitors. They are not your friends, they are not your allies, they are fully your enemies. And once you've spent all your time worrying about them, you have officially done it. Now, a quick reality check. Okay, obviously, please do not do any of these. This entire video was basically a list of everything you should probably not do if you don't want to grow. Plan your content, give people multiple ways to find you, figure out what kind of content you actually enjoy making, talk to your community, and importantly, stop treating other VTubers like competitors. Their success doesn't take away from yours. Focus on building your own thing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and check out my TikTok and Twitch. I stream weekly and yeah, that's it. Bye bye.